Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to be incognito on Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface, and now we want to enable incognito. Here's what we can do about it. At the top left, you'll see your profile. There's a button like this. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, right here is the edit info section. You can edit your profile from right here. And on the left hand side, if you scroll down, you'll see something like go incognito. The button's right here. In context that you do not find this button that says go incognito, simply scroll down. And under this control my visibility tab, you'll see something like incognito once again. Do note that this is a Tinder Plus function. In order to go incognito, you must be subscribed to Tinder Plus. Else you will not be able to enable incognito mode. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable incognito mode on Tinder PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.